Hello, happy everyone. It is here. My October Hello Happy bag has arrived and I am super excited to share it with you. Here it is. So I'm going to open it up. This is always so fun. And then here we have our Hello Happy card. The theme this month is grateful. So I'm going to read you the back of the card. Expressing gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's thankfulness in action. Today, take a moment to reflect on the things you're thankful for. Then take that feeling and turn it into action. It doesn't need to be big. You could pay for a stranger's coffee or just tell someone how much they mean to you. Find little ways to share your gratitude with others every day to spread the joy. I love that. And I don't know about you guys, but we go to Chick-fil-A probably, I don't know, a lot during the week. And I've had several people and like going through the drive-thru would pay for my lunch. So sometimes I'll return the favor and pay for someone behind me. Some days I'll just accept that and just be so grateful. And then other days I'll just go ahead and pay for the person behind me. So it's just spreading, gratefulness, thankfulness to the person around you. Maybe it's opening a door for someone. Maybe it's, just saying thank you or smiling at someone instead of just going down, with your head down, just looking at someone in the eyes and saying, hey, how are you? That really means a lot. So anyways, I'll get off my little soapbox. But this is our little Hello Happy bag this month. It's a clear little, this would be like a great makeup bag. You open it up, it's got gray trim on there, and it says grateful. It's kind of hard to see because of what's inside of it, but maybe you can see a little better. It says grateful right there. Super fun. I really like this bag too. Great little makeup bag, even for your kids, maybe for markers or snacks or crayons, whatever you're using things for. And then on the inside of this, there is a Hello Happy pen that says grateful on there. I received a pen just like this from Leadership Council back in January, and these pens write so well. I love the way they feel. I love the way they write, and it is black ink, which is really nice. Okay, and then you have these grateful cards in here, so I'm going to open those up. All right. Cute little package, thankful and grateful. Take the ribbon off, and you have 4 of these like light plum color, not quite pink, maybe like a darker pink. Grateful and thankful, and you open it up for you. Love that. And then there's 4 of these gray cards that say grateful and thankful, and then you open it up and it says for you. And then you also have 4 of the plum colored envelopes, and then 4 of the gray. So I would probably do like the pink with the gray envelope, and then I would do the gray card with the plum envelope. So anyways, I hope that you've enjoyed seeing this video. I'll link below the link that you can use if you want to order your own Hello Happy, and you'll go into my mystery hostess drawing. So thank you guys so much, and I am grateful for you.